Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace something that's already in your timeline with some new footage. But in just a general note, we've switched to a new category. We're going to be looking at timeline kind of editing tricks now. So yeah, this is the stuff, we've kind of done the things that help speed up our computer. Okay, now we're going to look at the things that speed you up as an editor. Okay, we want to replace clip D with something new. Either we've decided, or the client's come back and said, don't like this one, can you try something else? But we've done a bit of work to it. We've got cuts on it, we've got an effect, in this case noise, and maybe Lumetri, color grading, anything. Okay, so we can switch it out easily by finding it in my project panel. In this case, it's Tourism Z. Click, hold, drag, drag, drag. Okay, and then hold down the Option key on a Mac, the Alt key on a PC, and just kind of like dump it over the top. And you'll notice, give it a sec, it has matched the cuts. It has taken on the effects, in this case noise, anything else that is applied. Simple, quick and easy switch. It will work for any type of footage, either images, audio, anything you like. There's a long way. You can select it, make sure it's selected over here in the bin as well, or potentially open in the source monitor. Okay, and then you can do it the long way by going right click and go to replace clip with either the bin, if you've got it selected, or with the source monitor, which is what I've got there. Okay, and it will switch it. Or just hold down the Alt key for a PC or the Option key for a Mac. Again, this will be in your shortcut sheets. Not every single thing I'll cover in the course will be in there, but a lot of the hold downy, hard to remember shortcuts will be there. Remember, circle the ones that are important. You don't have to remember them all. All right, next video.